Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into how to buy Google Play credit in 2025. Whether you're stocking up for games, apps, or in-app purchases, this guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, why buy Google Play credit? It's a secure way to add funds to your Google account without sharing your payment details every time. Plus, with 2025's updates, there are even more convenient options like biometric payments and instant rewards. To get started, make sure you have the latest Google Play Store app installed on your device or access it via the web on your computer. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store. If you're on your phone, tap the app icon. On a computer, head to play.google.com. Once you're in, sign in with your Google account. Don't have one? It's quick to create. Next, navigate to your account settings. Look for the profile icon in the top right corner and select Payments and Subscriptions. Here, you'll find the option to add funds or redeem code. Go ahead and choose Add Funds. Now, for the fun part, select your payment method. In 2025, you can use credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, or even new options like cryptocurrency or bank transfers. Enter the amount you want to add. Options range from $5 to $500, and pick your preferred method. Remember, Google might prompt for verification, like a fingerprint or face scan, to keep things secure. After that, review your details and hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email, and the credit should appear in your account almost instantly. Pro tip: keep an eye out for promotions, as Google often offers bonus credit for larger purchases. And there you have it. That's how you buy Google Play credit in 2025. It's straightforward, safe, and super convenient. If you run into any issues, check Google's Help Center or drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tutorials. See you next time.